friends in Shanna, Shop Glorious Day. Welcome to 4th of July in Round Top, Texas. I have some other footage that I'll share, but I had to catch some of this live, though it's a little bit hard because it's torrential rain. This is such Texas grit and energy and joy right now. It is so fun. Everybody's just hanging through it in the torrential rain and literal rivers. Look. There's Lollytop Sweet Shop there in the brewery and the square. Oh my gosh. So I did some footage of the square and literally had to duck for cover because the rain got so strong. And I didn't even think my phone would work right now, but I'm gonna hide under this tree for a minute so you can enjoy it. Okay, so we can take a little walk in the pouring rain, and I'll hope I don't slip. Soaked anyway. I started out at Beth's Dirty Bohemian porch and took a little walk, and the rain got harder, and everybody's just hanging in. Look at this. It is the longest running parade this side of the Mississippi, Round Top's 171st. And gosh, what an event. Oh, that looks treacherous. Let's try this way. Look, there's Max. 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 My son Max. I'm gonna. Welcome to the parade. Look at this. Max. I am not crossing this river. Max. Look at this. So, hang on. We'll go catch maybe the beginning of the parade. We'll cut up this way. Round Top Coffee Shop. Let's see. Soaked. So fun. Okay. Let's see. I think the beginning of the parade is sort of just reaching this side. Fun, look. So fun. So Dirty Bohemian and Southern Beast. The Black Cat Choir.
Rumors spread around about this Texas town. About the town. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Just let me know if you wanna go to that home run.
So anyway, a little taste of Round Top 2021 4th of July parade here, 171st here in Round Top. Pouring rain, the show goes on. Signing off for now, Shanna, Shop Glory Stay. Perhaps I'll bring you into some more in just a bit. Bye for now.